This home-style prawn curry is not only delicious but easy to make. Funny thing is, its simplicity is what makes the dish. Start by heating 8 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium flame. Splutter 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Saute an inch of grated ginger, about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, and 2 finely chopped green chillies. Add 1 large chopped onion and saute until light golden brown. Stir in 2 large finely chopped tomatoes. Cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Add half teaspoon each of turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Don't forget the salt. Now add the cleaned prawns and mix it well. Cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame, stirring occasionally. Finally, season it with 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, and garnish it with chopped coriander. Bonus tip: for a perfectly soft and sweet cooked prawns, you should always add the prawns at the end of any recipe and cook it for only about 3 to 5 minutes. Do you agree? Comment below.